Hi, I'm Christine Boynton,
And I'm Guy Norris.
and we're here on the 777-9 developmental aircraft at the Dubai Airshow, specifically WH001. It's back on the airshow circuit. Guy, what testing still needs to be done on this particular WH001?
Yeah, well, it's great to see it back at the air show. Of course, it was absent from Paris and Farnborough, so it's great to see Boeing back in with the Dash 9 on the circuit, as you say. So it's just completed. Just before this, it completed a whole series of runway performance testing, which was done at Edwards Air Force Base back in California. The aircraft was actually based at Victorville, but went every day to Edwards, more or less. So they've come back with some great lessons learned from that. They said the aircraft performed spectacularly, everything was good. In fact, part of the testing now is VMU, which is velocity minimum on stick. It's the lowest airspeed at which the aircraft will take off from the runway. And to do that, they have to plant the tail almost literally on the runway. So they have a laminated wooden skid which is physically attached to the underside of the aircraft at the tail. It's still there. We haven't seen it yet, but they tell us it's there. And they would go through several planks of this material's work during the testing. So anyway, that's still there.
They said oak went through like balsa wood.
Yeah, they said oak was gone, and they've got another type of material. We're not sure what type of wood it is, but anyway, it is. So they've got remnants of it there. So that's what they've completed. They were really pleased with the new use of this instrumentation display system called Vera, which Aviation Week readers will recognize. We covered that in September. And it's a new display system developed and debuted really on this aircraft, which allows the crew to look at very specific test points, and it's literally presented right in front of them on the primary flight display. So they're really pleased with that. So next, it's going to head back to the US after the show and resume phase 3 of TIA. That's the next of several phases of FAA type inspection authorization. The next phase, we understand, is more to do. There's going to do more stability and control testing. Mm-hmm. It's really fine-tuning of the flight control system software, which will be the production standards. So they've got finally to that last phase of flight control software.
Thanks, Guy.